Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivraj Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 14, how big, how heavy, and today's topic is mass, weight and capacity. Okay students, we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Dear students, please keep in mind 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay students? Similarly, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay students? And 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay students, please keep in mind 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram and 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Similarly, we can take 1 kiloliter is equal to 1000 liter and 1000 liter and 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay distance, understand this? Please keep in mind this formula. Okay, okay distance. Now let's start next question. Next question is add the following. Question number 11. Question number 11 is add the following. Here given that sixth part of this question. The question number 11 of A is in question number 11 of A, here given that 252 kilometer, 75 meter, 28 kilometer, 406 meter, 8 kilometer, 670 meter. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we have to arrange the addition of here we can write kilometer and here meter. Then we get 252 kilometer, 252 kilometer and 75 meter. Okay. Similarly, we have to write 28 kilometer and 406 meter. Okay. Similarly, we can write 8 kilometer and 670 meter. Okay, listeners. After adding these, we get the answer of this question. Understand? Okay. Look at here carefully. Now let's start the addition of this question. Look, 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 0 is 11. 11 of 1. Carry 1. Okay. 7 plus 0 is 7 and 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 of 5. Carry 1. Here given that 0. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 of 1. Carry 1. Okay, distance? Carry 1. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 8 is 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 of 9. Carry 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And here we get 2. It means that 289, 151. Okay. It means that here we can write 289 kilometer and 151 meter. Okay, distance. This is your answer. Understand? Okay, distance. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, distance. Now read this. In question number 11 of B, here given that 262 liter, 385 milliliter, 103 liter, 245 milliliter, 54 liter and 85 milliliter. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Firstly, we have to arrange the addition of given numbers. Okay. Look, here given that liter and here milliliter. Here liter and here milliliter. Here liter and here milliliter. Therefore, we have to take here liter and here milliliter. It means that we can write liter into. It means that here we can write liter in liter and milliliter. Okay. Okay, difference. So they are given that 262 liter, then we can write 262 liter and 385 milliliter. Okay, similarly we can write all given number, and here we can write 103 liter at 245 milliliter. 245 milliliter. Okay, similarly we can write 54 liter, 54 liter, and here 85 milliliter. Okay, after adding these we get the answer of this question. Okay, now let's start the addition of given question. 5 plus 5 is 50. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 of 5. Carry 1. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. Carry 2. Okay. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, difference. And here 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 0 is 6. 6 plus 5 is 11. Of 1. Carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is What is this? After adding these we get 419 liter 715 milliliter. It means that after adding these we get 400. After adding these we get 419 liter 715 milliliter. Okay. What is this? Now read this. In question 11 of E, in question 11 of C is here given that 105 kilogram, 412 gram, 85 kilogram, 72 gram, 15 kilogram, 855 gram. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that kg and here gram. Here also kg and gram. Here kg and gram. Therefore, we have to take here kg and gram. Okay, and we can write all given number in this form. So here we can write 105 kilogram and here 412 gram. Okay, similarly we can write here 85 kilogram and 72 gram is here. Okay, similarly we can write 15 gram and here 855 gram. Okay, distance. After adding these we get the solution of this question. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 2 and here 2, here 5. 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, 13 of 3 carry 1. 4 plus 0 is 4, 4 plus 8 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13 of 3 carry 1. Okay, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15, 15 plus 1 is 16 of 6 carry 1. 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 of 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, listen, after adding these we get 206 kilogram, 206 kilogram and 339 grams. Okay, distance. This is the answer of this question. Okay. Okay, distance. Now read this. Distance, please write in maths fair copy. Okay. And after completed the given classwork, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, distance. Now let's start question number 11 of D. Here given that 75 meter, 119 millimeter, 12 meter, 75 millimeter, 92 meter and 625 millimeter. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that meter, millimeter, and here meter, millimeter, and here milliliter, and here millimeter. Okay, then we have to take meter and millimeter. Okay, and we can write 75 in meter and 119 in millimeter. Okay, distance. Similarly, we can write all given numbers. Okay, here we can write 12 and here 75. Okay, distance here given that 92 meter and 625 millimeter. After adding this, we get the answer of this question. Okay. 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 of 9 carry 1, 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11 of 1 carry 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, distance? Here we get 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17. Okay? Okay, distance? After adding these we get 179 meters, 819 millimeters. This is the answer of this question. Okay? Okay, distance? Okay, distance? Similarly, question number 11 of E and F. Question number 11 of E and 11 of F. Do it yourself in math homework. Okay? Okay, distance? Question number 11 of E and 11 of F. Do it yourself in math homework. If you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay? And dear students, after completed the given classwork and homework, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, dear students? Today, I am going to teach you about chapter 14, how big, how heavy. And today's topic is word problems. Okay, distance? Today's topic is word problems based on addition and subtraction. Okay? Okay, distance? Now let's start. Question number 12. Question number 12 is Shamira purchased 25 kg of ghee. She consumed 17 kg 275 gram of ghee in her kitchen. How much ghee is left with her? Okay, students, look at here carefully. In this, okay, students, in this question here given that Samira purchased 25 kg of ghee. It means that the total quantity of ghee purchased by Samira is equal to 25 kg. Okay, students, and she consumed 17 kg 275 gram of ghee in her kitchen. It means that She consumed of ghee in her kitchen is equal to 17 kg to 275 gram. Okay, okay, distance. Then in this question we find that the total quantity of ghee is left with her by taking the subtraction of 17 kg 275 gram from 25 kilogram. Okay, listeners, it means that in this question here we have to subtract 17 kg 275 gram from 25 kg. Okay, okay, listeners. Now let's start the solution of question number 12. In this question here given that the total quantity of ghee purchased by Samira is equal to 25 kg. It means that 25 kilogram. Okay, listeners, and here we can write 25 kilogram and 000 gram. Understand? Okay, and she consumed she consumed of ghee in her kitchen is equal to, look at here carefully, here given that 17 kg 275 gram. Okay, distance. Then the total quantity of ghee left ghee is left with her is equal to, distance. Look at here carefully. If we have to subtract 17 kilogram 275 gram from 25 kilogram, then we get the answer of this question. Okay, it means that here we have to take 17 kg 275 gram from 25 kg 000 gram. Okay, distance. After subtracting these, we get the answer of this question. Okay, now let's start the subtraction of 17 kg 275 gram from 25 kg 000 gram. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 0. Okay, look, this one we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Therefore here we have to take 1 kilogram as bore. Okay, then this makes 1000. Okay, distance. It means that, therefore, if we have to subtract 1000 minus 275, then we get, look at here carefully, here we have to take one borrow from this, and this 0 makes 10. Again we have to take one borrow from this 0, and this 0 makes 10, and again we have to take one 0 from this 0, and this 0 makes 10. Okay, then 10 minus 5 is 5, and here we get 9 in place of 10. 9 minus 7 is 2, and here we get 9 in place of 10. Okay, 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, students, here we get 725. Similarly, we can solve this question. Then here we get 5, and here 2, and here 7. Understand? Okay, students, look, and here we get 4 in place of 5, because we have to take 1 kg from this. Okay, here we get 4. Okay, distance, again we have to take one borrow from this 2, and this 4 makes 14. 14 minus 7 is 7. Okay, 14 minus 7 is 7, and here we get 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. It means that cancel out. Okay, students, after subtracting these we get 7 kg 725 gram. Okay, students, 7 kg 725 gram is left with her. Okay, students, then here we can write 7 kg 725 gram 25 grams. This is your answer. Understand? Okay, students, if you have any doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay.